Cliona from Easy Living Furniture, and this is the Eden dining table. The Eden is an extendable dining table. The Eden dining table is certainly striking as it features a ceramic tabletop. This has a granite-like effect. The tabletop is contrasted by dramatic crisscross legs that are grey in colour. It has rounded edges which are right on trend. The neutral colours of the Eden mean you'll find it really easy to pair chairs with. Relatively compact, the Eden can be extended to accommodate any extra guests. It has two 30cm extension leaves. To extend the table, you simply rotate the tabletop 360 degrees, allowing the leaves to extend outwards. Boasting contrasting hues and a contemporary design, the Eden dining table would be the perfect choice for any home. You can shop the table today by adding to cart now, or you can pop into one of our stores.